Minasan, konnichiwa. This is Kento, and today you're going to master all of the 46 basic hiragana. Japanese consists of three syllables. Three syllables. Hiragana, katakana, kanji. You can forget about the last two for now, but they'll become more important later on. I'm actually working on a Japanese textbook that covers the entire 46 hiragana characters and more. If it has already released, the link to get your copy will be in the description. Okay, so let's get started. Like in abroad. An example would be ame, rain. I, like in Intel. Imo, sweet potato. These are the Japanese sweet potatoes, which are really good baked. Like in put. Umeboshi, pickled plums. These are commonly eaten with rice and can either be sour or sweet depending on how ripe the original plum is. Like in bed. Ebi, prawns. O, like in order. Onigiri, rice bowls. These come in all sizes and shapes and can commonly be found in convenience stores. These used to be about 100 yen, but now they're more like 300 to 400 yen. Ka, like in car. Karaoke, karaoke. I think everyone knows what karaoke is. It's where you sing to any song you like in your own private booth. Ki, like in key. Kyuri, cucumber. Ku, like in cool. Kutsu, shoes. Ke, like in kettle. Keshigomu, eraser. Ko, like in cord. Korokke, croquette, basically fried mashed potato. Sa, like in such. Sakana, fish. Sheep, like in sheep. Shinkansen, bullet train. Su, 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 like in soup. Suika, suika, watermelon. Se, 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 like in set. Senbei, senbei, rice crackers. There are many different types of senbei in Japan, and these are one type of them. So, 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 like in soap. Sausage, sausage, sausage. Ta, 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 like in tarnish. Tamanegi, tamanegi, onions. Chi, 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 like in cheese. Chocho, chocho, butterfly. Tsu is a mix between the T and the S sound. It isn't tu or it isn't su, it's tsu, 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 like in tsunami. Tsuki, tsuki, moon. Te, 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 like in 10. This one's pretty straightforward. Te, te, hand. To, 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 like in toe. Tomato, tomato, tomatoes. Na, 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 like in nut. Natto, natto, fermented soybeans. Once again, this is commonly eaten with rice. Ni, 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 like in need. Ninniku, ninniku, garlic. Nu, 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 like in noon. Nuno, nuno, cloth. Ne, 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 like in net. Negi, negi, spring onion. If we go back to tamanegi, tama means bowl, so it's a bowl spring onion, which is an onion. No, 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 like in note. Nori, nori, seaweed. Nori usually refers to the dried type of seaweed. Ha, 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 like in hut. Haburashi, haburashi, toothbrush. Hi, 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 like in heat. Himawari, himawari, sunflower. The Japanese character fu uses a blend of the F H sounds.
Fu, 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 like in food. Fumikiri, fumikiri, train crossing. He, 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 like in head. Heya, heya, room. The room in the video is a karaoke room. Ho, 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 like in hot. Hon, hon, book. Ma, 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 like in March. Makura, makura, pillow. Mi, 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 like in meat. Midori, midori, green. Mu, 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 like in moon. Mushi, mushi, bug. I don't know what type of bug this is, but it's a bug. Me, 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 like in men. Megane, megane, glasses. Mo, 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 like in more. Momo, momo, peaches. Ya, 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 like in yard. Yasai, yasai, vegetables. You, like in university. Yuki, yuki, snow. Yo, like in yolk. Yoshoku, yoshoku, Western food. An example would be this homemade burger and chips or roast chicken.
The Japanese la column falls somewhere in between the R and the L sounds.
La, 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 like in life. Ramen, ramen. English translation is ramen. I guess you didn't need the translation. Li, 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 like in lean. Lingo, lingo, apple. Lu, 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 like in loom. Lulu, lulu, rule. I didn't know how to get a video of rules, so ruler minus R equals rule, which I think is better than this. Le, 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 like in lemon. Lemon, lemon, lemon. Lo, 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 like in lot. Rosoku, rosoku, candle. wa, 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 like in wow. Washoku, washoku. Japanese food like miso, soba, sushi, etc. O, like in order.
The character o isn't used in standalone words. It's reserved solely as a grammatical particle within sentences.
Like in noon.
No Japanese words begin with the character n, though it does appear in words like niniku or lemon. Since nothing can start with n, it allows for a word game called shinitori, where each player has to say a word beginning with the final character of the previous word. If someone ends their word with n, they lose. If you have no friends that speak Japanese or have no friends at all, then you can join my Discord server to play this game with other people. Link is in the description. Well, that's the last line in my script, but your journey with the Japanese script is just beginning. Feel free to go back in the video to practice the hiragana you still haven't mastered yet. Mata ne!